Hey everyone, this is Grace from Kapwing, and Instagram has just released a new feature that will allow you to remix an Instagram Reels video. This is very similar to TikTok's duetting feature. It's almost exactly the same thing. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to use this remix feature and be able to essentially duet people's Instagram Reels videos in the same way that you can on TikTok. I'll give you a full rundown of the feature in addition to other tips on actually making remixes and Reels in general. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with everything you need to know as a creator, and also consider joining our Discord where you can actually speak and interact with other creators as part of our community and learn from them. Now let's get started. So Instagram's new remix feature for Reels is essentially the same as duetting on TikTok, where you can react or just film another part to someone else's video and they will be shown side by side playing at the same time. Creators have been using this as part of reaction videos or to interact with the other video. For example, there are singing challenges where one person sings half the song and the other person sings the other part. Remixes can be done with any type of video, no matter what genre it is. So first question, how do you make a remix? How do you access the feature? So if you go to a Reels video and click the three dots in the corner, and on this view, it's in the top right corner, you can see that there's an option that says remix this reel. If that option is available, that means you can remix the reel, and you would just click that to get started. Now, not every reel will have this option. Since the feature is pretty new, only reels that were made after this feature was released will have the option available automatically. Older videos won't have that feature. So I'm on the Reels feed right now, and if I click the three dots in the very bottom right corner, that option is not there. The only way to enable remixing is for the creator themselves to do that. And so if you have older videos that you want to enable remixing on, you can go to your Reels. I'm here on our Reels, and this is one video that we made. I'm gonna click the bottom right corner, and I have already enabled remixing. As you can see, there's a button that says now disable remixing, and that's only on because I had enabled it before. That will be how you enable remixing on your own videos. Once you do find a reel that you can remix, as I said, click the three dots and then click remix this reel. One thing that this remix feature has that TikTok's Duet doesn't is that you can actually use previously recorded videos in your Reels. So there's the multi-segmented camera as usual, and you click play and then the video will play along and you can record and do that as many times as you need for the full video, or you can just click the bottom left icon and go through your camera roll to find the video you need. You can also do a mixture of both of those, which is pretty awesome. So for example, I'm going to record this right now, and then I'm gonna go into those uploads and choose the video I want to add. And it allows you to do that. Now, to trim or delete clips that you've recorded, click the bottom left arrow that goes the backwards arrow, and you'll see all the different clips that you recorded at the bottom of the screen. To delete any of them, just click that trash icon and you'll be able to discard it. Or if you want to trim it, click the clip and then click the scissors icon, and you can trim it down to the part you want. And then click trim in the top right corner. Do that for as much as you need and then click done, and you're back on the main screen. So that's how to film your video. You can also flip the camera as usual in the bottom right corner. And then on the left side, you have a bunch of different effects to change if you want. The top one allows you to actually change the audio from the original video. So you can click that change button and then scroll through the library of songs on Reels. Choose one to use instead of the original clip, and you can scroll to find that part of the song that you want to use, then click done. You can also change the speed of your video relative to the original one, and then do things like effects, filters, touch up, use the timer. And then if you've recorded multiple clips, you can even click the align to see where the last frame is and line up with it if you need. Once you've recorded your video, then you can click the next icon, and you'll be able to see the full project. And this is the normal Instagram interface where you can do things like add stickers, voiceover, draw on it, or text. So for example, if I write this text box, you can change the styles of it up in the top, and then it will show at the bottom the text box and all the text boxes you add will show up in that bottom bar. So if you click one of them, you can set the duration of how long it lasts on the video. Once you are ready to go, you like how it looks, then click the share to button. You can add your cover and your caption, and then click share, and it's posted to your Reels. After you have remixed your reel, this is what it will look like in the Reels feed. You can see that there's the two videos side by side, and then on the bottom where your name is, it says remix with and then the original creator's name. This is what it looks like in the Instagram regular feed as well, so it just crops the top and bottom. I also wondered what the background color was determined on, so I made 2 reels to test this. This was the first one. The background is blue, which is a color in the original reel, and then this is the second one, and the color is tan, which is also a color in the original one on the table. I used very similar clips for my part of the remix, so it seems like that color is taken from the original video. So if you're trying to optimize the color of the background to be in line with the rest of your Instagram feed and grid, make sure that the original video has the majority of it is the color that you want. Now you can remix your own reels. So this was a reel I posted that wasn't remixed, and I can click those 3 dots and see that remix this reel is an option. However, if it's an already remixed reel, if you took a reel, remixed it, posted it, and you're trying to remix it again, which is pretty common on TikTok. You see often these chains of duets, which kind of adds to the humor and makes it interesting for the interactions. You actually can't do that here. So if I tap those 3 dots, remix this reel is not an option. So maybe that's something Instagram will add in the future, or just something for them to think about. So if you do want to remix another reel that's already been remixed again, or if you just want to take any video and make it look like it's a duet in a way where you have 2 videos side by side, you can do that online with our video editor called Kapwing. So I'll just quickly go over how to do that in case that's something you're interested in. Go to the first link in the description below and get to Kapwing. This works in the browser of any device, so I'm on my phone right now, but you can do this on a computer or tablet as well. Then you want to upload the 2 videos you want side to side. So you can either click to upload them from your device, or you can paste a link to a project. I'm just gonna take 2 videos from my camera roll, and then you're gonna add them into the canvas. You see them on the bottom pop up in the timeline, and that's where you can do things like trim, edit, just by dragging the ends of the videos. And to actually make them side by side, resize by using the purple dots and dragging down to the position you want, and make sure they're in the center and that they're the same size side by side. Then if you want to change the background or even the size of the canvas, you can click the background and then click the button that says edit background. And then there should be a palette of colors that you can choose. I just chose black. And there's also above that the output size you can change. You can preview it in the bottom bar by clicking the play button, and then you can even add things like text or image overlays or subtitles or other audio on top, and then click the red export video button when you're ready to save it. After a few moments, your video will be ready to download. If there's a watermark, just sign in to remove that watermark for free. Then click download, download again, click the right arrow in the top and click your project, then click the bottom left corner and click save video. And now that video will be in your camera roll. So that's your orientation to the remix feature on Reels. Let us know in the comments how you feel about it. Do you want to use it? What do you think compared to TikTok? Don't forget to subscribe to join our community of modern creators, and we'll see you in the next video.